How to fix status access violation error in Google Chrome. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this process in order to do it. So for that, you can go ahead and go to the search bar in the below and go ahead and type in Google Chrome, and you can go ahead and open up the file location of Google Chrome. So once you open a file location, the shortcut appears. You can right click on it again and then go ahead and open up the main file location. Go to open file location from here as well and open up the main file locations. So once you locate up Google Chrome from here, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and locate it up, and then you can go ahead and you can just go ahead and rename this one right here. So you can go ahead and rename it in .exe extension. So go ahead and cross out E and type in .exe. After that, save the changes, and that should fix your issue. So that is it for now. You may follow up this process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.